When I was a little kid, my mom told me I have a lucky star.
I sweat when I sleep.
In 4th grade, I won class president.
4th grade? Not a good year for the Joshie.
Then I won some music competition, 100-yard dash, best hair.
I used to get really nervous in school.
I won a rabbit at the fair. Not sure how. Nice bunny. I named him George.
Once, I was supposed to take a spelling test, so I actually hid under my bed. I got stuck.
I entered George into a rabbit contest. He won.
They had to use power tools to get me out from under the bed. And lotion.
I guess sometimes
Things just don't always go the way you want them to.
things just work out the way you want them to.
Good morning, San Diego. Today's forecast, partly orange juice with a 30% chance of pancakes. And look out, it's gonna be rain and syrup.
Say, Josh, is there a reason you're acting extra weird today?
You're not gonna be calling me extra weird when everyone sees me on the 6 o'clock news tonight.
Why are you gonna be on the news? Did you get yourself locked in the monkey cage at the zoo again?
Hey, those chimps tricked me. The big one stole my corn dog. I mean, I had to go in there and get it back. And I'd do it again. Anyway, it's Junior Anchor Day at Dad's TV station. And he picked me to be the weather boy to his weather man.
You're gonna be on TV with Dad?
That's right.
I can't believe he picked you instead of me.
I wonder if there's a way to merge the waffle with the pancake.
I'm gonna talk to Dad about this.
You can call it a panful. No. The waffle cake.
Don't be jealous, Megan. Your time will come.
And so will yours, Josh. So will yours.
What's she mean by that?
I don't know, but if I were you, I'd sleep with a helmet on.
Hey, if you're signing up for the physics club, you're too late. All the cool spots are taken.
Okay, first of all, there aren't any cool spots in the physics club. Besides, I'm signing up for the talent show.
Hey, didn't you win last year?
Actually,
He won last year and the year before. That's 2 years in a row. And when he wins this year, that'll be a three-peat.
do I know you?
No. I love you. Bye.
It's gotta be fun being you.
Yeah. I wouldn't count on winning the talent contest this year if I were you, Drake. Oh, yeah? Who's gonna beat me? Hewitt? We are.
Hey, aren't you guys in the chorus?
Choral Society. We rock. Oh, yeah, you guys really rocked our front porch with those Christmas carols last year.
Oh, yeah. Hey, didn't you guys do an a cappella version of Silent Night?
You mean like this?
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright.
crowned yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace, amen.
Okay, that's the last time I'm pulling you back in.
Sorry, I was checking the sky for signs of precipitation. I'm gonna be on TV in 2 hours and I want my forecast to be up to the minute. You know, weather is a very complex science. See, before there was radar, the mariners used to use the sky to forecast if there was gonna be thunderstorms, lightning storms. Okay, I'll tell you later. Today's forecast. Today's forecast. Today's forecast. Today's forecast. Ah! What? You want me to have a stroke?
Sure, go ahead.
Look, Megan, I know why you're upset.
Do you?
Yeah, because Dad didn't pick you to be on TV.
I don't care.
You don't?
Nope, I don't want to be on TV.
Why not?
I'd be way too scared.
Really? I'm not scared at all.
Well, I sure would be if I knew millions of people would be watching me on live TV. That's pressure.
Pressure?
Serious pressure. I mean, think about it. You make one mistake, and millions of people see it. That's almost like making millions of mistakes in front of the whole world.
I never thought about that.
Yeah, well, I'm sure you'll be fine. Unless your twitch comes back.
What twitch?
Remember the 4th grade, Josh? The twitch? Whenever you got nervous.
Wait, who told you I twitched?
Dad. Yeah, well, have fun on TV.
Such big evil in such a little girl.
Thanks, Stuart. It's another sunny day here in San Diego. Son, you're blocking downtown.
Sorry.
So, Josh, what's the weekend looking like?
Well, you might want to take those swim trunks out, because it looks like the sunshine is here to stay.
That's good news, son.
Hey, Josh is doing really well.
He almost makes the weather interesting.
Yeah. This should be interesting.
We've got a warm front coming in from the coast that's going to merge with this ridge of high pressure, which...
Serious pressure.
High pressure?
You make one mistake, and millions of people see it.
The pressure system.
Remember the 4th grade, Josh? The twitch? How great is this?
Josh, why don't you let me explain to the folks exactly what...
Why'd you have to tell her about the twitch? The high pressure system. Whoa, it's a little warm in here. Josh. It seems my antiperspirant has failed. Oh, jeez.
Well, we all know it's going to be sunny, so let's never speak of this again. Back to you, Stuart. Stuart, back to you.
All right, so when I get to the part, if you open up your mind, sing the backgrounds on mine, okay?
Drake Parker, so good to see you.
Looking good, Helen.
I know. So, what are you boys up to?
Just getting ready for the talent show.
Ooh, you know you're gonna win, Drake. You won last year too, right?
He won last year and the year before. That's 2 years in a row. And when he wins this year, that'll be a three-peat. I love you, Drake. What was that?
I don't know.
Anyway, have you seen your brother? He's 10 minutes late for work, and he knows how I feel about the tardy.
Yeah, you should be here by now. I don't know, Oh, sorry, hang on a sec.
Oh, that's okay. You go right ahead. You look so cute when you talk on your cell phone, like a little businessman.
Hello?
Drake, come here.
Dude, you're late for work. Where are you?
Here, behind the trash can.
Why are you hiding back here?
I'm afraid.
Afraid of what?
People, what if they saw me on TV?
Dude, no one watches the weather. I guarantee you no one here saw it.
You think?
Totally. Don't worry about it. Come on.
It's him.
Hey, look, it's a kid from the weather. He couldn't stop twitching.
Yeah, I love that guy. Hey, Twitchy.
Hey, twitch it up.
I guess people do watch the weather. Who knew?
Hey, excuse me. You make a pass. Now, you leave this boy alone. Isn't it bad enough that he humiliated and degraded himself on the television?
Thank you, Helen.
You're welcome, Twitchy.
Hey,
Don't you hate me? You better get back to work. And you all disperse. Disperse! Move it, move it, move it!
I never thought that you'd be so sober.
Nice song, Drake.
Thanks,
Hewitt. Is that what you're gonna sing at the talent show?
maybe.
Doesn't matter, because we're gonna sing all over you.
You know, you got a lot of confidence for a guy in a sweater vest.
Wanna know why I got confidence? Check it.
Check what?
I was about to snap. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm losing my head over you. I'm losing my mind over you. I think I'm losing you. See you at the talent show, Drake.
They're good. Way good.
They could beat us.
We gotta rehearse now.
Hey, will you tell him I'm doing the twitch right? That's not how he did it. He did it like this. No, it was more like... No, like this. Oh, it was like...
you're overreacting. I am not. That weather broadcast is gonna haunt me for the rest of my life.
Megan, get out of our room.
Hang on, I just gotta see this one more time. It never gets old.
You see?
You're not gonna get old if you don't get out of here.
Fine. It smells like boy in here anyway.
Whoa, this tape stays right here.
Whatever. I already put it on the internet.
Oh, my life is over. I might as well drop out of school and move to China.
They have the internet there, too.
Well, that's it. I am never going up in front of people again. I'm gonna go live in a cave. Just me and trail mix.
Hey, it's the Blues Brothers. So this will cheer you up. We love the Blues Brothers.
What are you doing, Elwood?
You said we were going to make a call.
I said I was gonna make a call.
Hey, Jake. There's got to be at least $7 worth of change here.
You're not looking very cheery. Here, come on. Let's do our Blues Brothers Soul Man routine. That always pumps you up. Coming to ya on a dusty road.
Good loving, I've got a truckload.
Man, you're really upset.
Yeah.
You know what I'm gonna do for you, man? After this talent show, I'm gonna help you get through this.
Okay.
But first I'm gonna need some time alone to rehearse.
Sure. Turn it off!
Megan, come on!
Josh, let's get going. The talent show starts in 45 minutes.
Hey, what are you making?
Trail mix for the cave I'm gonna live in, where no one can see me twitch in the darkness.
Look, we understand why you're upset.
But you've got to come to the talent show and support your brother. He'd do it for you.
Okay. But if I have to go out in public, I'm doing it my way.
Thank you, Cookie Hancock, for that wonderful rendition of the Canadian National Anthem. Okay, now please make some noise for our next act, the Bellevue Choral Society.
One, two, three.
I never thought it'd be so simple, but I found a way, I found a way. If you open up your mind, you'll see what's inside. It's gonna take some time to realize. But if you look inside, I'll show you
No way!
Dude, they stole our song.
You think?
Those dorks stole Drake's song.
Drake, did you notice your song sounds extremely similar to yours?
That is my song. They stole the song I wrote.
So what are you gonna do?
We're gonna have to sing something else.
What?
Whoa! You're the twitchy weather boy.
Dude, knock it off.
Hey, listen. My dad's over there. It's his birthday. If I bring him over, will you twitch for him? Hey, Dad!
I knew I should have stayed home.
Josh, focus, man. What are we gonna sing? All right, I know exactly what we're gonna play. What? Something cool. I need my mom.
Here you go. It's all there.
Okay, thanks.
Josh, no, I'm not gonna twitch for your dad. Oh, hey, what's up?
You are.
Huh?
We are doing the Blues Brothers together.
What?
You're gonna sing Soul Man with me.
What is this, Twitch-a-palooza? You know what happens to me when I get up in front of people.
Yeah, and it's gonna keep happening if you don't get over it now.
No, Drake, I can't.
You want me to lose?
No, of course I don't
Come
want
on,
you.
you're my brother. Brothers help brothers.
Drake, I'm not going up there.
fine. But without you, I'm gonna lose.
And now our final act of the evening. It's a boy very dear to my own heart. So give it up for Drake Parker and his band, whose names I do not know.
Thank you. We're gonna do a tribute to the Blues Brothers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming to you on a dusty road. Good loving, got a truckload. And when you get it, you got something. So don't worry, 'cause I'm coming. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. Got what I got. The hard way. And I make it better each and every day. So honey, now don't you fret. 'Cause you ain't seen nothing yet. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. Well, grab a rope and I'll pull you in. Give you hope and be your only boyfriend. Well, we have our winners, Drake Parker. And my brother Josh.
Forget this. Let's go sing some Christmas carols.
Well, bro, looks like your twitching days are over. And looks like you just won the talent show for the second year in a row.
Actually, it's 3 years. It's a three-peat, just like I predicted.
Who are you?
I love you. Bye.
It's gotta be fun being you. Yeah.
Фильм дублирован творческой группой студии «Арт-дубляж» в 2007 году.